In this video, we'll be going over the continuation of the HTML5 tutorials. So in this video, we will be adding that page that we missed in the last tutorials, or the last few tutorials. So it's the contact page to our website. So somehow I must have missed that, so we'll just do it here. So we'll just be doing this page from scratch. So let's just start here. So at the top we'll have doc type. So doc type. HTML. Then we'll have an HTML block like that. So HTML, we'll have our closing block as well. Should be like this, /HTML. Then we'll have our head block. We'll close our head block. Comment we don't really need. You're supposed to have a comment if it's a page, like when the page was created, the page file, what the page is about, author, what it is, what it links to, what it does, all that stuff, I think. So here we'll have metadata. So we'll say meta care set points to UTF -8. So meta care set points to UTF -8. Can just be together like that. Here we'll have a space and then slash close it. Close the tag, and then here underneath we'll have title. So this is, what's the title of this? So this is the title in the browser tab. So in this case we'll just call it contact. Excuse me. So here we'll have title, contact, and then title. Should have been closed with a slash here. Now we'll link in our CSS. We'll say link href points to string. These files, I'll try to upload that to the GitHub. You don't need these, but to make it look a bit better, you can use CSS. Here we'll just say rel points to style sheet slash close up angular bracket. Then we'll have another style sheet here, so we'll have another link CSS. So link space href points to string ct_base.css, that's the file name. rel points to style sheet, string style sheet. Slash close the block, or the tag. I'll close that head tag for now. Then we'll have a body tag. Some of this information we already had. I think I deleted it, but that's okay. So we'll just add them again here, or add it again. So here underneath the head tag, remember that doesn't actually get shown on the page, so what gets shown onto the page to the user of the web page is within the body tag. So body, here we'll have header. In this case, have this header class. Header class points to logo. Try to explain those a bit more. I've tried to explain them before. You can see the previous tutorials, but we may be going a bit more into depth about what they're actually doing more so. I have explained them in the past though, so if you're confused, just see the previous tutorials. I will be doing them again in a more description, and we'll probably just devote a whole video to them. Just some of the keywords here. So we have img space src. So this src and href is very common in HTML. We use this for a lot of different things. So get used to those, because you're going to need files and you're going to need CSS sheets. So you'll be using that a lot. So here we'll have this. We're going to have this picture here. I'll try to upload that to the GitHub. ALT, which I haven't done yet. I will try to do that soon here. So curbside ties the restaurant. Or could just say it's the restaurant logo. As a string on space slash close that bracket. Header should be over here. Header, do we already have header? So head's different than header. So be careful with that. Hopefully I didn't confuse anyone or say head by accident. So before I meant, if I did mix that up, this is the head tag and this is the header tag, so they're different. The header tag's within the body. Head tag's not on the body, so that can be confusing as well. So now in this case, we'll have header underneath here. Excuse me. Just like that, we'll close that block. Underneath, we'll have article. Could just be like this. We'll say contact us. Actually, let's close this tag first. Just like that. Indent that, will have H1 as a header. Contact us space slash H1. Close it. Article underneath. Done with article. We'll have footer. So we'll put the address. It's a restaurant website. This is a bullet point, I think. What's that street? Forgot. Let's just go with another street. Let's go with 7th Ave. That's a good one. Nice place if you have a chance to visit it. It's right by the BC coast. Just on the exact tip of BC, the bottom left tip. Actually, might be a bit higher than that. Just around there, though. It's just on the coast, as far as as far west you can go in Canada. Nice place to see the ocean and all that. Alright, so we have we'll just add the city. We'll add a non-breaking space. It's %NBSP semicolon. Postal code. Something like that. Telephone number as well. Something like that. Okay. That should be pretty much it. We should close our footer. Maybe I'll just close this here a bit more. It was probably fine. Let's see here. Footer's closed. Body's closed. HTML is closed. Okay, so. Nope, sorry, there's a few more things to add here. Alright, so. There's a few things I was supposed to add. I guess I'll just write them out. So article, where are we here? There's only one article block in this, on this page, contact us. Right, let me just take a sec here. So let us just write this out. So we'll have a p tag for paragraph. Perhaps closing p tag down here. Whoops. Just start filling this in with something here. So we'll just say contact Steveston Restaurant. For your smoked salmon and shrimp, lobster, crab, oyster, calamari, spell that right, bass, cod, octopus needs, I don't know, just something like that. Miss any good? Oh yeah, I definitely did. Scallops. Okay. Okay, so this is getting a bit out of the line here. Well, here we'll just say, have local seafood right from the ocean, right from the BC coast. Pretty much that's it. Okay, so let's just close that with a p tag. Let's just say from the heart of Steveston. If you haven't been to Steveston, you've seen it. It's a place they film a lot of movies and TV shows. So John Cena was here filming. He's been here a few times filming with different movies. They were filming an Apple TV show, something After Dark, and then some other Japanese, or is it Godzilla or something? I don't know. They're filming a Christmas movie, a Hallmark one. They film a lot of different stuff. I've actually never seen, I maybe have seen an old movie on it, but like occasionally I'll go down to the bank or like to the store or something, or to the pharmacy, and I'll see them like filming a set, and I'll just walk by casually. Maybe I'm in the movie or not, I have no idea, because I'm just up the road from there. It's a nice place though, so you may have seen it on TV, but they do have local seafood that's pretty good. Even though I don't eat out ever, I have had fish from the pier. Like I've had like fish and chips occasionally, not too often, once a year or less. But they do sell fish at the store there, which is local, so that's what we usually get. Alright, so pretty much we'll just add a address tag here, which we haven't worked with yet, so let's just go underneath there. We used to live beside a fisherman who rented the house beside me, the suite, like the side house, part of the house. I have a good few stories about him. He was okay, he's kind of noisy, but I tried to fight his drunk friends several times, because they'd be screaming outside my window at early hours of the morning, just doing things I can't even say, like birding and all that. But I have screamed outside my window, and then they've even continued to try to act like a big man outside, and I've stepped outside, they've taken off several times, so every time it happens they just take off. But yeah, he's gone now. He was okay, but not the best kind of people to live next door to you. Some other tenants there now, which are they're quieter, but they have this light that goes off all the time, which is annoying. This goes off in the middle of the night, all hours of the night, right by my window. It's like a motion light. I told the landlord to tell them to take that off, but she won't, so she's kind of a you know what. Anyways, I'm sure you guys have your own neighbor stories too. Feel free to post those in the comments. If you have any neighbors you wish weren't around, feel free to share. Alright, so let's just add this address tag here. So we'll just say address. We'll just close the block here with a closing address. So here we'll just say Steveston Restaurant again. Something's up with this. It's supposed to be beside this. Like this. Okay, so line break. We haven't discussed this. So line breaks. So line breaks start the next part of the address on a new line. That's all it does. So it's like a new line, but it's just a slash like that. That's a line break. And here we'll set whatever the address 123 7th Ave. BC. What's with the BR tag again? Okay. Oh, I think we did use it, but actually I messed it up. Line break, we have done it before. We want this BR like that. Is that right? Oh, that's right. Okay, we have used them. Is there supposed to be a space like that? I think there is supposed to be a space like that. I think. You can test it with or without. Let's just go with that for now. Here, let's go BR space slash line break. We're supposed to move this down here. Go with here, BR space slash close a tag. Address tags close just like that. Alright, so we'll just see how this loads or runs. So I'll just save it, run it. You can't see this, but let's just see how it looks. I can explain it to you. Looks Okay, the problem is doesn't look like the other ones. Why is that? Oh, because I did the same style sheet twice. Okay, so let's go with CT underscore layout. CT underscore layout, like that. Once again, I'll try to upload these to the GitHub. Now that should fix it. It's funny because I don't have as many errors as other programming languages. Like usually I'd have some kind of error. I guess that's more of a back-end thing. Not necessarily though. I just haven't had that many errors with HTML5. Contact Houston restaurant for your smoked salmon, shrimp, lobster, crab, oyster, calamari, bass, cod, octopus, scallop needs. Have local seafood right from the BC coast, from the heart. I should have said heart of Houston, but that's fine. Houston restaurant 123 7th Ave, Houston, Richmond, BC. There's actually no businesses on 7th Avenue. Actually, that is true because. Yeah, there's just not. It's just all houses. It would be nice to open up a dispensary there or something. Then again, you would kind of change that because once you get to the coast, and it's like, okay, well, we want to keep this purchase quiet, residential, I guess, perhaps. There is a business, but it's a few houses down from there, which is like a sushi restaurant. They have like a Mexican restaurant. It's a new sushi restaurant, actually. It was built within the last few years. And there's actually two little studio apartments above, which are nice. My sister is actually going to buy one, but they ended up buying down the street instead. I guess they missed that opportunity. Just because they were just too slow to buy it, someone else bought it. They ended up just buying down the street anyways. It's just within walking distance, but it was a nice place. You could see Gary Point and all that. You can see the ocean from there. The coast. It's a quiet area. It's a quiet city. It's not like Vancouver, which is very busy. Richmond is busy, but not busy like that. It's not like downtown busy. It's just like average mall busy, nothing crazy. Just like your average kind of mall busy, like that. It's a quieter city, and Stevenson's even quieter, so it's nice like that. So you can like see, it's just more quiet out there. It's nice. Anyways, that's pretty much the end of our tutorial for now. So thanks for watching, guys. In this video, we've added a page to our tutorial, to our website, another page, which will probably add a few things to this. There were a few things missing. Can we just do them now? Let's just see. So you can't, I'm not even in the IDE. Okay, so I'm back on the IDE. So it looks fine. Looks like the other pages pretty much. We're missing the navigation list. Then we're missing something else here. Maybe let's just add that list in here before we leave. Was there a few things we were supposed to add to this? There is that one link that we missed. That was this here. Okay, so all of these would have to be changed. What else do we have to do? All those have to be changed. The navigation list has to be changed. The header tag has to be changed. Could we do that now? I guess we could. So let's just try that here. So I'm back to the ct_about.html. So let's go with that. So here, let's just, so if you've watched the series, we've already created this page. Here, let's point this to a string here. Let's add it like that, close it, add the tag. A tag is within the list element, not outside, don't get confused. I almost put it outside. That should be fine, so we could just literally just copy this. Code reuse, not copy. Thanks, Telescope. That Android Java programmer, he actually uses a full stack, but I first went there for Java. I haven't been back to his page. Has some good tutorials though. Okay, there's something wrong with that, which is an error, is it not? Or is that my mistake? I think that's correct. Didn't come up as a syntax or anything error. Let's just change this for all of them. So I'm just going to copy to that to all the rest of the pages here. So this is locations. And I'll copy it without that extra Angular bracket. So I'll just save that here. So here I'll just paste that in here like that. Save. So I'm just going to do to all the pages that we have so far for this part that's missing. Save. Paste it. Save. Okay, that should be fine. Let's just try running and see. So you should go now in the navigation list. If I click contact, it brings us to the contact page. That's correct. Now we just have to add the navigation list to our website, or to the contact page. We could do that as well. We were supposed to do this before, but I missed that page for some reason. So we're just doing it now. So we have, we'll just copy this within the header like that. Do we need restaurant website? Do they all like that? This is our contact page here, header. Excuse me. Okay, so let's change that picture to that clickable link. With our start page missing. Is that correct? We had that start page missing? Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so let's just copy that underneath the restaurant website. Is that not correct? No, I think that's actually not correct. Is it still logo 2 or? Yeah, it is. Okay, so maybe that is correct. So let's just go here. We'll paste this in here. Now we'll just, we could have just did that in one step, I guess, and then we'll just paste this as well. I'm just going to go underneath that and then just paste in the nav list. Save it. Oops, what am I doing there? Hitting Control Alt, so we'll just save that and then run it. So now contact page, or the contact page has all the navigation list and everything, which brings it to itself as well. And the page that we didn't create yet. So everything's working there. So that should be it. After we will link our contact page to a actually could we just do that now? Could do it in another tutorial. This one's getting a bit long here. So we'll probably just end it there. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like the video, you can like and subscribe to support the channel for programming and investing tutorials. And the next video will be adding some linking to phone numbers, email addresses, and other stuff. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Thanks.